Yes, you are seeing the right name, Happy Explores. I've always wanted to change my channel name to Happy Explores. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to change the name of your YouTube channel. Yes, without it affecting your Gmail name, okay? We're going to change your YouTube channel name without it showing or affecting your Google account, all right? Sounds great. Let's get to the video.
So the first thing you need to do is to log into your YouTube channel using your Chrome browser. When you're logged in, you're meant to tap on your profile picture by the right above and tap on settings. Right? Tap on edit on Google. So we're gonna see the name that is displayed there. You can see it's displayed as Happiness Okeke. Alright, that was my former YouTube name before I changed it. Then the next thing is to leave this page and then open a new tab to log into your Gmail account. When you are logged into your Gmail account, you tap on settings above and then you tap on see all settings, and then we're going to tap on account and import. Then you tap on name, edit info. Then you can see that I just gave it another name, Happiness Okeke. Then the next thing is to tap on, we're going to send a message to my to myself to see the name that is being displayed when we send a message. So you can see it's displayed as Happiness Okeke. We're gonna go back to our channel. You can see it's displayed as Happiness Okeke. So we're gonna edit our name from Happiness Okeke to Happy Explores. So I'm gonna tap on manage your Google account. I'm gonna tap on personal info. So we're gonna edit our name from Happiness Okeke to Happy Explores. Don't worry, it won't change on your Google account. Why? Because you have already edited your info on how your message is being sent at the other place. So whenever you send a message to anybody, it won't display Happy Explores. Instead, it will display Happiness Okeke. Alright? So we're gonna change the name to Happy Explores. Happy Explores. There are other ways to open your YouTube channel without it affecting your Gmail account, but because I've been using this Gmail account for so many things and I don't want it to affect my YouTube channel, because this is the name I want to name it. Okay, so you can see Happy Explores. So I'm gonna go back to our YouTube channel to confirm that it's showing Happy Explores. Alright, you can see it's showing Happy Explores now. Then the next thing is to go back to our Google account. And then I'm gonna send, you can see the last message I sent was showing Happiness Okeke. So now I'm gonna send a message again. Okay, let's view the message that I just sent. Alright, you can see it's showing Happiness Okeke, not Happy Explores. So that's how to change your YouTube channel name without it affecting your Google account. Alright, we're gonna go back to the settings, tap on account and export. Then we're going to tap on edit info as we did before, and you can see Happiness Okeke. So we make sure that the second one that we typed in is selected so that it doesn't show Happy Explores. All right, we have already confirmed it. So
thank you so much for watching this video to the end. If you found it useful, please, you should definitely subscribe, like, comment, and turn on your post notification so that you'll be notified anytime I post a video. Yes, I post a video every week. I post different videos every week, so you should definitely subscribe. All right, till next time, bye.